sunny 82 degrees. Wheeling, cloudy 82. Parkersburg, partly sunny 85. Across Ohio, Zanesville, cloudy 83 degrees. Akron, sun.
Flash flood warning! Oh my god.
Flash flood warning. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, west central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 3:30
Oh my
p.m.
god, look at how dark that is out there.
PM. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
It is not good.
across the Warren area. 1 inch of rain has already fallen, and another inch or more will be possible over the Warren area in the next hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Mount
I
Lebanon,
knew it was a
Bethel
flash
Park,
flood warning.
the Keysport, West Mifflin, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Whitehall, South Park Township,
Jeez,
Hood
that was a
Hall,
good
and Cecil
2-hour
Bishop.
recording.
Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the Warren area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.